Hi guys and welcome back. My name is Allie and you are watching Coupon on the Fly. Hi guys and welcome back. I am so excited to be sharing another video with you all. Today, I have created 3 all-digital, newbie-friendly couponing scenarios for this Saturday at Family Dollar. So make sure you guys go on your Family Dollar accounts right now and clip all of your coupons so that you guys are ready to coupon on Saturday. And we can only coupon at Family Dollar on Saturday, February 20th. So make sure you guys only hit up the store and snag one of my deals this Saturday, which is the 20th. So if you guys are new to my channel, then I'm Coupon on the Fly and I'm here to help you guys snag some good deals and some good savings. This video contains 3 deals like I said, and we're going to be stocking up on some household items including toilet paper and Febreze, and we're also going to snag some laundry deals. So if you guys would like, I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel and definitely give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to always check out my description box because I always leave a link to my Instagram down there if you would like to follow me over on there. And if you guys would like to, after you watch the video, then definitely leave me a comment down below and let me know what deal you guys plan on doing on Saturday because I'm always interested to see on what are your favorite items. So without further ado, let's jump right on into this Family Dollar video. Okay guys, so here we are starting out with deal number 1. Our first item we're going to pick up is a 40-ounce bottle of Tide liquid detergent. Then you're going to snag 2 of the Purex liquid detergents, and both bottles should be 65 ounces. Your next 2 items will be 2 of the Pond's cream, and they are the 1.7 ounce bottle. They're the little mini bottles of Pond's cream. Your next 2 items will be 2 of the Febreze small spaces in any scent of your choice. And your last item will be a 25-cent filler item. Okay, so here we are going over deal number 1. And don't forget guys, we're getting a lot of double items in this deal, so definitely pay attention to all the items that you need to grab 2 of. So the Tide liquid detergent is on sale this week for $4.95, and we have a $2 off coupon making it $2.95. The Purex liquid bottles, again, you're grabbing 2 of those. They are $5 per bottle, and we have a $2.50 off coupon that you can use 2 times per your transaction, so it makes each bottle only $2.50. The Pond's creams are $2 per bottle, and again, we're grabbing 2, making it $4, and we have a $2 off coupon, bringing that down to $2. A lot of 2s in this deal. The Febreze small spaces, again, you're grabbing, you guessed it, 2 of those, making them $6 for both, and we have a $3 off coupon, bringing it down to $3. Then you will have your 25-cent filler item, and unfortunately, we don't have a coupon for that. So your subtotal will come to $25.20. And after all of our coupons and savings come off, including the 5 off 25, we will spend a total of $8.20 plus tax out of pocket for deal number 1. Moving right along to deal number 2. Our first 2 items will be, again, 2 bottles of the Purex liquid detergent, and they are both 65-ounce bottles. Your next item will be a package of Scott toilet paper, and this is a 12-count roll of toilet paper. Then you are again going to grab 2 of the Pond's cream little mini bottles, and they are 1.7 ounce. Your next item will be the Crest Value Pack toothpaste, and so it's going to be in 1 box, but there's actually going to be 2 bottles of toothpaste in there, and they are 5.7 ounce bottles for each. So make sure you read the box where it will say Crest Value Pack up at the top. And your last item will be a 10-count package of the Bic Silky Touch razors. Going over deal number 2's breakdown, the Purex liquid bottles are again $5 per bottle, and we have a $2.50 off coupon that we can use for each bottle, making them only $2.50. The package of Scott toilet paper is $5, and we have a $1 off coupon, bringing that down to $4. The Pond's creams are again $4 for both, and we have a $2 off coupon, making those only $2. The Crest Value Pack box of toothpaste is $3.75, and we have a $2 off coupon, bringing that box down to only $1.75 for 2 tubes of toothpaste. That's a great deal. The Bic Silky Touch razor package is $3, and we again have a $2 off coupon, bringing that down to only $1. So looking at our subtotal, it will come to $25.75, and after our coupons and savings come off, we will spend a total of $8.75 plus tax out of pocket for deal number 2. Okay, and jumping into our third and final deal, our first item will be a 40-ounce bottle of Tide liquid detergent. Then we're going to snag a 16-count package of Tide Pods. Your next item will be a 60-ounce bottle of Snuggle fabric softener. Then you're again going to grab 2 of the Febreze Small Spaces. And if you guys have any scent recommendations, then definitely leave them in the comment section down below. I love to know what the best scent is to grab. Your next item will again be the box of the Crest Value Pack toothpaste, and this should be in the whitening. And your last item will be a package of the Bic Silky Touch razors, and this is a 10-count package of razors. Going over deal number 3's breakdown, our Tide liquid detergent is again on sale for $4.95, and we have a $2 off coupon, making it $2.95. The Tide Pods are also $4.95, and if we use our $2 off coupon, we will only spend $2.95. The Snuggle fabric softener is $3, and we have a 50-cent off coupon, bringing it down to $2.50. The Febreze Small Spaces are $6 for both, and we have our $3 off coupon, bringing that down to only $3. The Crest Value Pack box of toothpaste is $1.75 whenever we use our $2 off coupon. And the Bic Silky Touch razors are also $3, and we again have a $2 off coupon, making that package only $1. So looking at our subtotal, it will come to $25.65, and after all of our coupons and savings come off, including your 5 off 25, we will spend a total of $9.15 plus tax out of pocket for deal number 3. Okay guys, so there you have it. Those are 3 all digital couponing scenarios for this Saturday, which is February 20th at Family Dollar. So again, don't forget guys to go on your Family Dollar accounts right now and clip all of the coupons that you need for whichever deal you plan on doing. Leave your comments down below and let me know which deal is your favorite and which deal you plan to do on Saturday. Don't forget to also check out my description box because I always leave a link to some of my previous videos if you would like to check those out. And I also leave a link down there to my Instagram if you would like to click on it and go follow me over on there because I post little updates. So also don't forget to make sure you give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because I will also be posting a Dollar General couponing video if you guys are interested for that. That will be up tomorrow, which will be Thursday, February 18th. So definitely be on the lookout for that. So I hope that you guys have a great day and of course, happy couponing.